Welcome back. Today, we're going to be continuing our series of homeschool planners. I googled homeschool planner because I've been using the same homeschool planner forever, and I thought I would see if there was something new and innovative out there that might be better suited for me. And in that, I decided to go ahead and buy actually the top 6, flip through them, and give you an idea if it's something that would work for you, or if you need to change, or if there's something that could serve your family better. Today, we're actually going to be reviewing this homeschool planner that came off of Amazon. I can't wait to share it with you. It's a little different, and I think it will maybe give you some ideas of some things you can use, and I hope you enjoy the flip through. So hang tight, it's coming shortly. I have filmed a couple already, but this one today actually comes from Amazon. It had about 680 reviews, and this planner is put out by Homeschool Life Press. It is it's products for homeschoolers by homeschoolers, planners, workbooks, coloring books, notebooks, and journals. Homeschool Life Press on Instagram and Facebook. And let's just dig into it. Okay. First, you've got this homeschool planner belongs to name, phone number, email, address, the Mega Homeschool Planner and Essential Organizer, how to use the planner, the essentials, the plan, and the schedule, using the lesson planner. All of these things are kind of self-explanatory. Some of them get a little complicated. There is one planner that I bought that is a little more complicated. So, curriculum and resource list based on subject, bigger spaces, smaller spaces, accounts with your logins, what day you purchased it. This is great if you use a lot of online curriculum, so you have an idea of how long you have to get it used before you have to purchase extensions or repurchase the curriculum. Passwords, website logins, event tracker. They plan on lots of field trips. Homeschool connections, people to help you with homeschool, a reading list, and then the plan. I like these perpetual calendars. Lots of planners have Lots of planner companies have gone to printing these perpetual calendars in their planners just because it's a great way to look at a whole month at one spot and know if you're gone or if you have an appointment. So I think those are really great. And then you've got term goals. This has 6 terms. I'm assuming that would be 6 6-week terms. I don't do 6-week terms. I do 4 9-week terms. So just personal preference. The schedule, your month. I'm assuming you put your assignments across the top and check off if they're done. Your month goals. And then this was the point where I was like, nope, this planner would never be for me. This is the monthly view. I visually cannot handle all of this. It is visually overwhelming for me. However, if it is not visually overwhelming for you, this might be a great choice for you. But the monthly was it for me. The monthly was it. And it was kind of odd to me that the monthly started on Monday. I'm used to my weekly starting on Monday, but my monthly starting on Sunday. I know, it's really weird. But the weekly lesson is pretty standard. Nothing crazy here. It's a 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 by 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Pretty standard. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 weeks per month, and then you come back to the month of with your goals, and then your monthly, and then your weekly, and it's undated too. That's something else. You've got your student checklists in the back. This is tracking. It just says tracking back here. So you've got student checklists, and the page in front of that is, I'm not really sure what that is. Maybe your attendance, and then your student checklists, and then your homeschool budget pages, which are nice. Homeschool budget pages are excellent. And then your review and reflect, your year in review, a place for a photo collage, and then some lined pages, and then who created it. I like this planner. It has some, again, good components, just like some of the other ones I reviewed, but that monthly view would do it for me. There's no way I could use it. I would have to go back in and modify the month every month, and the paper is a thinner paper, so it would bleed through, and you can see, I'll show you this. If this is something that bothers you, you need to know. You can see the previous page bleed through onto the next page. So it's a thinner paper. Again, that's not a be-all end-all for everyone, but it is something that I like to let you know about, because if you're a heavy writer or you use a heavy ink like I do, everything would bleed through and you would be able to see everything on the previous page. So that is the Homeschool Planner and Essential Organizer. It is by Homeschool Life Press. It is available on Amazon, and I will attempt to link that in my comments. Thank you so much for hanging out with me here on Schultz Shenanigans and Planning the Shenanigans. My name is Amanda. I handle all the craziness around here, and for years we've heard people ask us how we do it all, and we're finally getting around to showing you how. Have a great and blessed week, and we will see you soon in the next part of this series.